Today, we're doing a full aura detox and protection activation. In the next 15 minutes, you'll release what's weighing you down and rebuild a strong, clear, energetic shield. If you only have a few minutes, stay at least for the first part. You'll feel a shift in your body and in your field. So take a comfortable seat or lie down and gently close your eyes or soften your gaze and allow your hands to rest where they feel natural. And let's start with 3 cleansing breaths. Breathe in through your nose, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2 and exhale through your mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale, filling the belly and the chest. Hold for 2 and exhale for 6. And letting the day melt away. One more breath in and exhale with a sigh. And just bring your attention to the space just around your body, your aura, and imagine it as a soft field of light extending about an arm's length in every direction. And now notice, where does it feel heavy? Where does it feel tight or dim? Don't have to fix anything yet. Just observe and scan from the top of your head down through your face and your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your heart, your upper back, your solar plexus, stomach, and mid back, your hips, your legs, your knees, calves, and your feet. Anywhere you feel pressure, fogginess, or weight, silently say, I see you, I am ready to clear you. And now, chakra by chakra, we're going to clear through your chakras. And as we do, your whole aura lightens. Your root chakra, the base of your spine, bring your awareness to the base of your spine and imagine a deep red light, warm embers. Inhale through your nose, drawing earth energy up into your root. Exhale, releasing fear, survival stress, and instability down into the earth. And silently repeat, I am safe, I am supported, I belong. And see that red light grow steady and strong, radiating into the lower part of your aura. And now the sacral chakra below the navel, move your awareness to the space just below your belly button and see a warm orange light like a sunset. Inhale, filling the center with creativity and joy. And exhale, releasing shame, comparison, and past emotional entanglements. And silently repeat, I am allowed to feel, I am allowed to receive pleasure and joy. And let that orange light expand, softening your aura in this area. And to move to the solar plexus, which is just below the V in your ribs, and see a bright yellow sun glowing there. Inhale confidence and personal power. And exhale other people's expectations, pressure, and cords of obligation. And silently repeat, I stand in my power. I choose what enters my field. And see that golden sunshine outward, clearing heaviness from the center of your aura. And now bring your awareness to the center of your chest, your heart chakra, and see a soft green or pink light glowing there. Inhale unconditional love and compassion for yourself. And exhale any heartbreak, resentment, and old grief. And silently repeat, I am worthy of love. I release what no longer serves my heart. And feel your heart light expanding, softening in your entire chest and the front of your aura. And now bring your awareness to your throat chakra. See a clear blue light like a calm sky. And inhale truth, clarity, and the power to express yourself. Exhale any swallowed words, self censorship, and others' opinions about your voice. And silently repeat, my voice matters. My truth is safe. And see this blue light radiating out, clearing communication, any cords in your aura. And now bring your awareness to your third eye between the eyebrows. Bring your awareness to that point and see an indigo light forming there. Inhale, inner wisdom and intuition. Exhale, confusion, any overthinking, mental clutter, and silently repeat, I see clearly. I trust my inner guidance, and let this indigo light spread, clearing fog from the front and the upper part of your aura. And now move your focus to the top of your head and see a violet or white light gently opening like a flower. And inhale your connection to Source, to your highest self. Exhale any separation, doubt, and any energy that keeps you from feeling small. And silently repeat, I am connected. I am supported by something greater. And allow this light to pour down through your entire body and out into your aura, washing everything clean like a waterfall. And take a deep breath in and exhale, imagining your whole field being rinsed with pure, high frequency light. And now shield your aura. Your aura is clear, and we're going to seal and protect it. Imagine a golden light beginning at your heart and expanding outward. With each inhale, this golden light grows. With each exhale, it forms a smooth, protective bubble around your body. And see this sphere of light surrounding you, above your head, below your feet, in front of you, behind you, and on both sides. And repeat silently or out loud, my aura is clear. My energy is my own. Only energies of love, truth, and highest good may enter my field. And feel how this shield is strong but also gentle. It doesn't disconnect you from the world, it simply filters what is allowed in. And imagine that any heavy, sharp, or draining energy that approaches your field is instantly neutralized and falls away before it can touch you. Take a few deep breaths here, feeling the strength and clarity of this golden bubble. And notice how your body feels now compared to when you started. Notice your breath. Notice the space around you. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly, and silently repeat, I am clear. I am protected. I am in my own energy. And when you're ready, wiggle your fingers and your toes. Roll your shoulders and slowly open your eyes, bringing this protected, detoxed aura with you into the rest of your day or night. And if this helped you, come back to it anytime your energy feels heavy or tangled. And if you'd like more daily 30-second aura rinses and deep healing journeys like this, subscribe and let me know in the comments what you released today. You are doing such powerful work.